Yo, what's up, everybody? It's me, Stinky Man, and we're doing the ELA series. I got a job lined up for me on tomorrow. It's a video game store. I'm gonna work at a video game store for like 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna stop because I have to go on it somewhere else. Um, I spilled water on my mouse pad, and now it's wet, and now it's gonna feel weird. But whatever. Let's queue up. I'm started clicking 8 again because I fought DJ Thread and it was like, damn, I should really be clicking 8. You know. Actually, let me my FOV 75. You queued a goddamn 1200. Hold on, let me not drink my fire res. Let me show y'all what I've been practicing, you know? Come on. Oh, is this guy gonna run the whole time? He is. Okay, this is why I don't do this like that often, because people just run the whole time and it's really annoying. But honestly, like, I would do the same thing, so if I find someone like playing weird like this guy's like 1200, so he's probably not legit anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Oh, I just spotted him. Oh my god. Oh. This guy hit me with the sideways backward pearl. I'm about to die. Oopsies. Okay, we'll try that again. I won't do that again, because people are weird and annoying and they just can run the whole time. Oh god, they run the whole time. Oh, we queued. Oh, this guy's a Bed Wars player. I think I've seen this guy on ranked Bed Wars, because I used to want to do that like a year ago. Watch me lose, because I'm horrible. Did this guy just pot downwards? Oh my gosh. This guy just potted downwards twice. This guy's potting. Oh my god. I'm really fighting a Bed Wars player here. Alright, whatever. Probably shouldn't be queuing ranked if you don't know how to play the game. That's my advice. Because, I mean, like, nah, actually, that's a bad advice. That's bad advice. You should be queuing ranked off rip, you know? That's something I wish I would have done, because my skill, I would have been much better now if I just started queuing ranked. Like, you've seen, like, other people, like Nesco and all that. They started playing, like, later than me. Like, a lot later than me. And they're just so much better because they just queued ranked, you know? So maybe that is the play. Just to like, queue ranked off rip and just, like, play ranked against ranked players. This guy's potting downwards and he's hit selecting me, so that's kind of weird. It's like he knows the techniques, but he doesn't know debuff. Wait, do they hit select in Bed Wars? I mean, yeah, Bed Wars, that's the one. I'm not sure. I don't think they do, because I used to play Epic, so yeah, you can't hit select on that. Oh, you know, what do I know? I could have aimed that better. This guy just jumped. This guy's jumping all that too. He knows how to jump. He knows how to hit select, but he doesn't know how to pot. Which is very interesting. Alright. I'm gonna let him do his thing. He doesn't know how to aim either, apparently. And I don't either. Oh god. Oh my. Okay, I don't know how to fight either, I guess. This guy's a very contradictory person, you know? He knows how to hit select, but he doesn't know how to pot. That's very strange to me, but that's fine. another win for this in the sticky man books. You know what I'm saying? I played a lot yesterday. I got like a 60 win streak on unranked. And then DJ Thread ended it, bro. I beat him with 3 times and no debuff though, so you know, I'm not that horrible. Oh, I 3-potted him. Hit him with a 9-hit combo. I still got the 8 CPS stuff, man. I still got the 8 CPS stuff. Still okay at 8 CPS. I used to click 8 CPS on PvP Lounge clients on UHC duels. Those were the days. I win this trade. Not anymore. Ah ha ha ha. Oh my god. I saw my gameplay from like 2019. That was horrible. I was like, I didn't know. I was like butterfly clicking 10 and like potting downwards. I was just holding W the whole fight. Like not even any W taps or anything. No combos. I was just holding W. That's horrible. And then, oh my god, I was only block hitting. I didn't know how to W tap, so I was just block hitting like a year later when that's after I learned how to jitter. I just started jittering because of that. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god, I have the weirdest Minecraft career. I used to be like somewhat known at boxing, but then the game got horrible because of losers and like all those people that take it too seriously. That's what ruined it. I should really smooth out my aim. I'm like tensing my arm for no reason. My finger low-key like feels weird now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this guy's after me. I mean, that makes sense, it's strength. Oh my god, he got the jump hits down. I don't think my playstyle works with 8 CPS though, that's the thing. That's what I'm like most concerned about, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, yeah. My playstyle is very like CPS dependent and my ping dependent too, so it's like, what the fungal infection? Yeah, I have a really stupid playstyle. My combos are like half straight line. I don't know, I just have like the old gen combos, even though I'm like a new gen player, sort of. 2019 is new gen? Honestly, I think so. Oh, I won. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 2019 is new gen, so I'm gonna consider myself as a new gen. It wasn't even, it was like late 2019, no, it was mid 2019. It was not late 2019. I still have some old gen plays, you know. I'm still like sort of old. I'm almost 18. I'm 18 in like 2 months, so I'm like getting way too old to be playing this game still. But whatever. I want to hit master and then just like I want to get 200 ELO series also. You know, I told myself I was gonna stop at 100, but you know, like come on, we're already like what 1/5 there, so it's like come on. But yeah, I got like a 4-hour shift tomorrow at my video game store job. It's just me and one other dude. We're just gonna be selling video games. It's gonna be interesting. This guy knows how to play the game better than me. But I have lower CPS, so we're gonna see how that goes. That guy just made me miss a pot. Wow. Sticky man really fell off. goodness. I'm thinking of getting a new keyboard, like a Walmart keyboard. This is the mechanical keyboard at Walmart. It's like Blue Switch. And it's like, what, $50? Which is really expensive for what it is. But I might buy it. This guy's still after me. Let me eat, little man. Come on, little man. This guy's block hitting. I just took his pot though. Oh my. Oh god, my aim. Oh, I unlocked the feeling of high CPS. Come on. You drop. Oh, he doesn't drop. Apparently. But yeah, I don't know if I'll ever quit this game. Like, it's just something this game means so much to me. Like it's been through me like my entire teenage life. Well, not almost, because I'm still a teenager, but you know, still. It's been with me like most of my teenage life. This guy had 17 blocked hits. Jesus Christ. Go face. But yeah, I don't know. It's just like the only competitive game I enjoy. I play Rivals for a minute. It's like not fun. I played Valorant. Oh my god, I hated Valorant. I just played it because my friends did. I played Rivals. Rivals is pretty fun. I like Rivals, but it's like it just runs so bad. So I don't play that. I just can't get used to lower FPS because of Minecraft. Like, I used to play Krunker all day. Krunker.io, remember that? I used to play. That was the game I used to main before I played Minecraft. I was like demon at that. I had so much hours in the Krunker, and then I just stopped from Minecraft. So you know. Oh my god. Yo. Guys. I low-key want to get back into like aiming well. Like I used to be in the pushing the boundaries community with like Spiffy Cheese and all that. And that was like low-key fun. I would do that and play boxing and do push-ups all day in grade 9. Oh my god. That was so fun. But like I seen like what Spiffy Cheese is doing now and like in the server, and man, like do I really want to be do I really want to turn out like that? It's like dude just like plays aim shooters all day. Nothing else. It's like really sad. I gotta speed. Oh, I didn't even eat. Oh my goodness. This guy's just after me. The extra hit, I see you. But I did too. Ah ha ha. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. Oh my god. Ooh. I'll look you like wrecking this guy. You know? Hashtag wrecked. Facts. Oh, I think this guy's out. Yeah, he's out. Good fights. My mouse pad is still wet. Oh my, yucky, ew. How long has this been? I low-key want to stop playing because I want to go. I don't know. Thank God I don't have any of my personal information on the left, because I have like, oh my gosh. That would be really, like, sometimes I have my full name there and I just realize I'm recording and it's like it's a bad time, you know? But yeah, we'll do one more fight. Yeah, we'll do one more fight. I got a big weight off my shoulders yesterday from editing that Bed Wars video. And thank God I did that. You know what I'm saying? Do one more. My finger's low-key hurting. I really like playing with 9 CPS, but it's like my finger hurts so much, and it's also such a disadvantage. I'm gonna butterfly this last round then. I haven't played with butterfly. No, I did. Don't know why I said that. I was playing all day with butterfly yesterday. Like 2 hours. I'm just straight crafting. Not 2 hours, much more than 2 hours. Yeah, I played too much yesterday. Cause I was feeling, I don't know, whenever I feel bad, I just play lots of Minecraft. I don't know. Anyone else did that? I feel like I have a different playstyle when I butterfly click, like subconsciously. Like I don't even know. Like I feel like it's less skilled. I don't know. Like I'd like try less when I butterfly. Cause like in butterfly, I don't have to like 8 CPS everything. I'm gonna 8 CPS the rest of this fight. Extra jump hit there. Oh, I'm gonna. Jesus Christ, I'm so bad at this game. Oh, one extra hit. I gotta get back that 4-hit combo. Because I'm gonna lose otherwise. Come on, folk. Is this guy jumping while fighting me? That's crazy. I don't know. It just works for some people and it doesn't work for others. Like, I feel like it works better with high ping. I don't even know. Or maybe when you're cheating. I don't think this guy's cheating though. I think he's just like maybe auto-clicking at most. And even then, like, it's probably not that high. He didn't peak for a while though, so that's gonna give me a bit of advantage. I don't know why I tried to hit select, like my CPS is way too low for that. Maybe I could try to hit select. Nope. It just doesn't work against certain types of people. I don't even know. Like, oh my gosh. Try to eat here. Hit him with one of these. Get the extra hits, you know, while I can. Oh my god, I used so much pearls. I used 10 pearls this round. Jesus. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Come on, folk. 19 blocked hits. Jesus Christ, he had one more hit than me. And 19 blocked hits. Oh my goodness. God. I hate these block hitters. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. Bye, everybody.